Yo, what's going on everybody? In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best online business to start in 2021. And it's not what you actually might think. If you don't know who I am, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kevin Pak and I'm a multiple six-figure Amazon seller. I'm mostly known for doing Amazon FBA, starting that private label business. But I wanted to talk about something that isn't about Amazon, and it's about the best online business, and it's actually not Amazon, right? And I'm gonna be going on about what it is, why I think it is the best, and why it's a great business to start that anyone could start who has some kind of skill set. Now, needless to say, I do believe Amazon FBA is a great business model. It is my main source of income, is what I do, and we can do a full update right now. And as you can see, in the last 12 months, I've done nearly $550,000. That's $500,000 in the last 12 months. So although Amazon FBA is my main source of income, there are other business models and other side hustles that are really great to start, that anyone can start, that actually will probably cost less money than Amazon. So you're probably wondering, what is this business? And what I'm gonna refer to is something that people might think is scammy. It has a bad reputation. They might think, oh man, this is just another guru out here trying to sell one of these. But really, it's a great source of income that also in turn helps people as well. And that's building your own course and selling information products out of these courses. It's a great way to build a business and some side hustle money out of basically teaching people your skills and your knowledge of what you learned. Now, I do understand that there is a bad reputation out there because there's actually people who sell information that they don't know themselves, and they're just kind of regurgitating information elsewhere, or they're just giving information that doesn't actually work. So there is a bad reputation and red flags for these, but there's actually a lot of genuine people who actually sell really great courses, you know? So I have like great friends like Tamara T. I know that there's YouTubers like Graham Stephan or Ryan Pineda who sell these courses, and they actually are legitimate people who do really, really well, and they're just basically teaching people what they know, and in turn they also make money out of it. So it's kind of like a win-win scenario in this situation. And in my case as well, I've been able to start a course business where I teach people how to sell on Amazon exactly the way I've done it, not regurgitating information from other people, but more so literally my own journey about how I started and where I got to now. And from that, I've been able to help really, really great people. And like my first student, Alejandro right here, he just recently hit over $8,000 selling on Amazon, all right? $8,000 in a month. And this is his first product. And the great thing is that he's almost at 10K, and he's gonna start making 30% profit margins, and it's gonna be passive income. And that's just great. I'm glad that I've been able to teach him something and he's been able to apply it. Now, the thing about courses is that you need to make sure that you're providing all the right information that you have gained, all the steps that you have created. If you have a skill set in something, whether it's photography, online business, or you're a realtor and you want to teach people your experiences and your success, this is a great way to build your business out of that and create some side hustle. If you have good credentials and people know that you've been successful at a particular area, whether it's in real estate or maybe it's videography, photography, personal training, or maybe it is in e-com and Amazon. If you have good credentials and you have proof that you've done really well and you can teach people exactly how you've done it, it's a great way to start a business to make more money, but also help people do that. You know, the thing about courses is that it's something that you build one time and then people will buy it whenever they want. So you don't have to actually keep making the content over and over and teach people individually. Instead, you just put all the information into one area, and then all these students come in and they all learn from the same area. And that's what's great about it. It makes for great passive income. And if you want to make it more interactive, you can by creating Facebook groups, doing live streams, coaching calls, things like that. Include more than just the course itself. In my opinion, the thing about courses is that they are legit, but you have to do your own due diligence and research the people who are selling it before you buy it. Make sure that they're legit, make sure that they have real proof, make sure that they have other students that you could talk to that you can get maybe some feedback from, right? So look around, Google search, see what people are saying about it, do your research, right? There are people scamming out there, but there's also really legitimate people out there selling great content that could change your life. So don't be that person who's like, oh no, I'm not gonna get into a course because they're all scams. No, open up your mind, do your due diligence, do your research so that you can actually start investing money into yourself and learn skill sets that you could use to make more money, make yourself financially free, financially stable, take care of your family, take care of yourself first. that, okay, all of that. You need to make sure that you're investing into your own self to build that wealth. So I really recommend that if you want to start a course, it's going to be the best way to do it. They're like Teachable. I think there's other websites that are available. Teachable is not the only one, but Teachable is a great place to start. Another great thing about online courses is that the profit margins are very high. You have almost 100% profit margins. You usually have a percentage that you have to take from the website you're hosting it from, but I'd say you're keeping about 90% profit. So if you make $100,000 in course sales, you're gonna keep 90K of that, which is great. It's higher profit margins than anything else. My Amazon business only does 30% profit margins, right? But my course business has 90% profit margins. So that's pretty damn awesome. So you have higher profit margins, you're helping people, and you're spreading the word of your own knowledge, and it's just a win-win overall. I think it's a great way to make some passive income. You don't have to actively be on it, you could just have it on there and it'll start making sales if you direct traffic towards it. So all in all, I think the best business that you can start in 2021 is a course. As long as you have some credibility and also you have a good skill that you can teach people, I think it's a great way to start making some passive income. So go ahead out there, go help the world, go spread your knowledge, and make some money doing it as well. So I hope this was very, very helpful, gave you some insight, and I will catch you guys in the next one. As always, go make that money, and I'll see you later. Peace.